Hi, I'm Linda Charlton. I'm going to show you how to make your surveys accessible. Let's get started. Let's start in your look and feel. We're going to change the layout of your theme. We're going to change that to classic and hit apply. Now let's go to your survey options. And under general, the display name should be the name of your survey. So let's name it test. Now let's go back to your survey. The question is highlighted in the blue, but I want to make the block accessible. So I'm going to click on that to make it all blue. Then I'm going to go over to the left side and do the next and previous buttons. Here I'm going to type in next in the block and hit save. To create a submit button, I'm going to do a add block on your survey. You make sure that your submit button is on the last block of your survey. And I treat the blocks as a page break instead of doing page breaks. So let's pretend that this is the last block of your survey. Go to next and previous button. This time at the next button text box, you're going to type in submit and hit save. Thanks for watching.